sound of an object leaving the earth, the sound of black holes collapsing.
I remember being 19, 20 and getting a sampler, biting an apple into the sampler, and the sound just being unbelievable. I mean, you feel like somewhere between Stephen Hawking and Jesus and Jimi Hendrix. It's just like, it's the world noise that you've unleashed. It's like you've been given the keys to the universe.
My name is Matthew Herbert, and I'm a composer and writer and maker of things, and hopefully mischief.
I know some of you probably don't like to listen to some of the weird stuff that I do. This tooth being pulled out of my mouth just before we started the tour. We need more from here.
All of my music has been focused on the human perspective. And I thought, what does the world sound like to something else, like to a tree?
I think that part of my responsibility as an artist is to change people's perceptions or challenge people's perceptions.
Motherfucker needs to show a little Kevin Can. High,